Are you aware of the hidden side effects of castor oil that often go unnoticed? I still remember the first time I tried castor oil. The results were nothing short of surprising. But on the flip side, it also saved my skin from a major mishap. After diving deep into countless scientific studies and running my own experiments, I'm ready to spill the tea on castor oil. We'll cover the top benefits, potential side effects, who should steer clear of it, and the best ways to use it, all in a straightforward, easy-to-digest way. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of castor oil. It's amazing how many people don't realize just how versatile and beneficial this natural remedy is. Here are some of the most impressive perks. Relieves joint and muscle pain. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a great choice for relieving joint and muscle pain. Whether you're dealing with arthritis or sore muscles after a tough workout, warming a little castor oil and massaging it into the painful area can provide significant relief. Add a warm compress or heating pad, and you've got a winning combo for easing discomfort. It's especially useful for athletes or anyone regularly engaging in physical activity, making it a great addition to your post-workout recovery routine to help reduce soreness. Treats fungal infections. Another fantastic benefit of castor oil is its ability to treat fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworm. Its antifungal properties make it an effective natural remedy. Simply apply a small amount directly to the cleaned area, and for an extra boost, mix in a few drops of tea tree oil. This powerhouse duo speeds up healing and helps stop the spread of infection. Keep up the treatment even after symptoms clear up to make sure the fungus is completely gone. Heals wounds and minor cuts. For those with minor cuts or wounds, castor oil can speed up the healing process thanks to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities. Just apply a bit of castor oil to the clean wound and cover it with a bandage to keep it protected and promote healing. This method also minimizes the risk of scarring. Remember to change the bandage and reapply the oil daily to maintain cleanliness and support faster recovery. Improves immune function. Castor oil packs are also a great way to boost immune function. They stimulate the lymphatic system and help with detoxification. To make a castor oil pack, soak a cloth in warm castor oil, place it on your abdomen, and cover it with plastic wrap and a heating pad for 30 to 60 minutes. This practice encourages lymphatic drainage, reduces inflammation, and supports overall wellness. With regular use, you might notice improvements in digestion, sleep quality, and energy levels. Enhances eyelash and eyebrow growth. If you're dreaming of fuller lashes and brows, castor oil can help with that too. Using a clean mascara wand, apply a small amount to your lashes and brows before bedtime, and rinse it off in the morning. Over time, this simple routine can lead to noticeably thicker and healthier-looking lashes and brows. It's a natural, budget-friendly alternative to chemical serums and perfect for sensitive skin. Alleviates Acne castor oil can also be a game-changer for those struggling with acne. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe and clear up the skin. After thoroughly cleansing your face, apply a small amount to the affected areas and leave it on overnight. With consistent use, castor oil can help reduce acne and improve the overall appearance of your skin. Plus, it helps balance your skin's natural oil production, which can reduce future breakouts when paired with a gentle skincare routine. Nourishes and strengthens nails. Finally, castor oil is excellent for nourishing and strengthening nails. Applying a small amount to your nails and cuticles before bed can help reduce brittleness and breakage, resulting in stronger, healthier nails over time. Its moisturizing properties also help prevent hangnails and keep your cuticles soft and well-conditioned. Now, let's look at how to use castor oil effectively. Did you know that most people are using castor oil the wrong way? Don't let that be you. Applying castor oil correctly can really amplify its benefits. First things first, choose the right type of castor oil. Cold-pressed or cold-processed varieties are your best bet because they retain the most nutrients. Go for organic castor oil to steer clear of pesticides and harmful chemicals. This way, you're ensuring you get the purest product packed with all the good stuff that makes castor oil so effective. Keep your castor oil stored in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight, and make sure it's in an airtight container to preserve its quality. Before diving into regular use, always do an allergy patch test on a small area of your skin. This helps you avoid any unexpected reactions. For those considering internal use, stick to about a teaspoon and, importantly, consult with your doctor, especially if you have existing health conditions or are pregnant. Overusing castor oil can lead to unwanted issues like greasy skin, clogged pores, or even digestive discomfort. It's all about using the right amount. Too much of a good thing can quickly turn into a hassle. By following these tips, you can make the most of castor oil's amazing benefits while keeping things safe and effective. Moving on to the recommended daily amount. Moderation is everything when it comes to using castor oil. For topical use, just a little goes a long way. A few drops are enough for the skin, while about a tablespoon works well for hair treatments. For boosting eyelash or eyebrow growth, a nightly dab with a clean mascara wand is all you need. If you're considering castor oil for internal use, keep it to about a teaspoon for occasional constipation relief. But remember, it's meant for short-term use only. Too much can lead to negative effects, so always stick to the recommended amounts. Let's talk about the side effects of castor oil. While it has some fantastic benefits, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. 1. Castor oil is a strong laxative, and taking too much can cause stomach cramps, diarrhea, and nausea. Overdoing it can also lead to dehydration, so if you notice these symptoms, cut back on your usage and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. 2. Though this is rare, some people may have allergic reactions to castor oil, such as skin rashes, itching, or swelling. Always do a patch test before using it widely, and if any signs of an allergy pop up, stop using it right away and consult a healthcare professional. 3. Castor oil can also irritate the skin, particularly for those with sensitive skin. Start with a small amount and see how your skin responds. If you notice irritation, try diluting the castor oil with a gentler carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. 4. Applying castor oil near the face requires extra caution because inhaling it accidentally can cause respiratory problems. Be mindful when using it around the nose and mouth and avoid breathing in the fumes directly. 5. For pregnant women, it's crucial to avoid castor oil unless a healthcare provider specifically advises its use. It can stimulate uterine contractions and is sometimes used as a natural method to induce labor, but this should only be done under medical supervision to prevent complications. 6. Using castor oil as a laxative over a prolonged period can upset your body's electrolyte balance due to the excessive loss of fluids and salts, leading to symptoms like muscle cramps, dizziness, or irregular heartbeats. It's best to use castor oil for constipation relief sparingly and in moderation. 7. Long-term use can also interfere with nutrient absorption, potentially causing deficiencies, which is particularly concerning for anyone with existing nutritional issues. Maintaining a balanced diet and seeking medical advice if you're unsure is a wise approach. 8. If you have conditions like IBS, ulcers, or hemorrhoids, castor oil might worsen your symptoms. Always consult a healthcare provider before using castor oil if you have any pre-existing health concerns to avoid aggravating your condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might be interested in videos like this, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.